iba ang kumanta. Basta hindi.
Yeah.
Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Hi. My name is Ivani.
I'm
Juliet.
I'm Norges Bella. Follow me on FB.
Yeah, follow her. Follow her and give her 20 stars.
More stars, more money.
Follow me. I have a lot of crabs. Follow lang. Follow lang. Ay, lagwa. Follow lang ng follow. Follow lang ng follow. What's the video?
Click like and subscribe.
I'm gonna teach you how to catch the crab.
Yeah, click
Tutorial.
like and subscribe.
I'll do tutorial crabbing.
Siya ang Pinay ng Washington.
Yes, kasi Pinay ng last.
Pinay. So, why is your last vlog is Bella?
Oh, you mean my it's just a screen name. Really, it's not my real name. Because Bella is short for Belly Essential, which was my last name.
Bella is kind of mansion.
Yeah. So
Like a beautiful mansion.
yeah, but it doesn't mean a mansion. It was just the shorten of my last name when I was sick.
So, don't you know that I'm Bella? Oh,
Bella too.
And
well,
just
subscribe on my Shellfish Bella's channel.
Nice.
So, Yvonne did not follow my Shellfish Bella's
Follow,
channel.
I follow you.
You
I'm
follow
gonna follow you. Yes, follow.
Alright, thank you for watching. Bye. Mga sweet na.
Soon.
Mga ikat ni mga bayhanan.